ये जो है ये एक्चुअली इसको हम बोलते हैं की आर्ट, जो मेन थॉट है हमारी फिल्म का, कि एक इंसान है, उसकी 4 बेटियां हैं और वो इस बात से बिल्कुल मतलब इस बात से बहुत खुश है कि उसकी 4 बेटियां हैं और उसे पूरा गर्व है अपनी बेटियों पे। लिहाजा वो लाइन, वो फिल्म के अंदर ये एक दफ़ा एक जगह पे ये लाइन आती है, हमारी छोरियां छोरों से कम है के। सो इट्स अ स्टोरी अबाउट, आई मीन दिस वन इमेज टेल्स यू, ये आपको बताता है कि जो कहानी का दिल है वो क्या है। एक्चुअली मेरी कोई लुक अभी रही नहीं। किरण जी अक्सर मजाक करती है मेरे साथ कि जिस इंसान से मैंने शादी की 10 साल पहले, वो 10 सालों में उसको इतनी अलग अलग लुक्स हो गई हैं कि मुझे खुद याद नहीं आता कि आपकी ओरिजिनल लुक क्या है, मतलब आप कैसे लगते हो, क्योंकि हर दफा आप किसी न किसी किरदार में होते हो। तो एक्चुअली मैं भी भूल गया हूँ इस वक्त। तो मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है यार, थोड़ा एल्डरली, मोटा, ग्रे हेयर। That way, so many films are common. So many films are revenge films. So many films are romantic films. I think the genre of the film is quite different. The story itself is very different. One aspect of wrestling is common. But Sultan is a film that, whatever trailers I've seen and the songs that I've seen, I really love the look of the film. I really love the way the director has, shot the songs and the trailers. It looks like a very exciting film. I really hope that it's a huge, huge success and breaks all records. That's my wish for the film. I mean, I'm going by the media reports of because I wasn't present when this happened. But as per the media reports, whatever I've read, which quotes him as saying a certain thing, I feel what he said was rather unfortunate and rather insensitive.
I think it was almost 100% is what I would say. He is probably the most easygoing star to work with, आपको अगर कंप्लीट फ्री हैंड देते हैं तो कौन ऐसा एक्टर है जिसके साथ आप ये फिल्म बनाना चाहेंगे? लेट्स फॉरगेट द रियलिटी और वेदर इट विल हैपन और नॉट, बट आई थिंक विद इन 2-3 सेकेंड्स मैंने आमिर सर का नाम बोला था, एंड मे बी राइटफुली सो, बिकॉज ही इज़ नोन टू टेक अप वन प्रोजेक्ट एट अ टाइम. ही इज़ नोन टू हैव गॉन टू ग्रेट लेंथ्स to make sure that he lives up to that character. I'm not even getting on to the kind of performance he delivers. So, and all those things which were, I think, there in the back of my mind, before I took out his name in 3 seconds, and then we said we'll try and see if we can give it a shot, whether we can get an appointment with him to go and narrate the film to him.
See, I think that I really feel, that as a society and especially the media, आप लोग सब मीडिया के हैं यहाँ पे, कि बहुत सारे इश्यूज हैं हमारे सामने. अनफॉर्चुनेटली होता क्या है, ह्यूमन नेचर ऐसा है कि जहाँ जहाँ इश्यूज होते हैं जो कंट्रोवर्शियल होते हैं या किसी किस्म से नेगेटिव होते हैं, उस पर हमारा ध्यान ज़्यादा जाता है. मैं आपको अलग नहीं ठहरा रहा हूँ, मैं भी आपके साथ ही हूँ. ये ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी है. इस आदमी ने बड़ा अच्छा काम किया, उसका न्यूज़ नहीं बनता. ये इसने बड़ा नेक आदमी है, इसने ये किया, उसका न्यूज़ नहीं बनता. Let me just convey what I'm saying. I'm saying in general, negativity sells much more than positivity. That much you'll agree, in general. And in general, that is the trend that's happening today. So I'm saying if we all decide to focus on positive things, you'll find that there's a huge number of positive things happening in this country as well. There are a huge number of people who are working very hard and tirelessly on a ground level, on the grassroots level, for all kinds of issues. And I think that also needs to come out. That also needs to be promoted. That people need to see that. As a common person, when I'm reading the news, I'm watching the television news, I'm also affected by what is being reported to me. So when someone says something which is disturbing, then I also get disturbed. But if you show me something that someone said which is good, then I also feel good. So I would request you all, I know it's often not in your hands, but if possible, there are so many positive things happening also in society. If you could concentrate on that, Mayur, and maybe you can ask me another question now because of that, which is positive in nature. मतलब जंगल बुक कर रहे हैं तो फिर आमिर की क्या जरूरत पड़ी आपको?
नहीं सर, पहले जंगल फिर दंगल, इस तरीके.
Well, this happens to be our 9th association with Amir, actually. We were just counting the other day as producers, co-producers, distributors in some capacity or the other. So it's nothing new for us to want to be associated with Amir in some capacity. I think when a member of our creative team, actually Divya Rao, who's sort of unfortunately not here today, the idea really came from her. She read about this story, and she thought it would make a great film. And when she came to us with it, it sounded like something that was so inspirational, such a wonderful story that really had to be told. And we had the good sense to go to someone like Nitesh and tell him about the story. And he also fell in love with it. And from that point on, the journey started. And he wrote a beautiful script. As he said just now, the only person we had in mind to go to was Amir. And it all fell into place really, really well. So really happy that it happened.
Well, that's the number of situations that we possibly have. So right now we already have 6 in the film. So it has 6 songs, yes. In fact, there's another thing I need to thank Salman for here. Is the title, Dangal. I don't know if you know that. क्योंकि दंगल टाइटल स्क्रिप्ट में तो लिखा हुआ था आपने, लेकिन जब हमने पता किया तो वो स्क्रिप्ट का जो राइट्स थे वो पुनीत जी के पास थे, पुनीत सर. So I knew that Salman is very close to Puneet, and I called up Salman one day and said कि यार मुझे दंगल टाइटल चाहिए यार. Can you request? Can you arrange a meeting between Puneet and me? So actually Salman called up Puneet and said यार उनको टाइटल चाहिए. जबकि वो सुल्तान बना रहा है, लोग बोलते हैं कि हम लोग एक दूसरे से झगड़ा कर रहे हैं, वो सेम रेसलिंग फिल्म है. लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, क्योंकि सलमान ने एक्चुअली हमको हेल्प किया. दंगल का टाइटल मिलने में सलमान का बड़ा हाथ है. एंड ही कॉल्ड अप पुनीत, एंड देन पुनीत एंड आई मेट, एंड पुनीत वाज वेरी स्वीट. ही सेड कि यार मैं यूज नहीं कर रहा हूँ तो आप लोग इस्तेमाल कर लो. So he gave us the title, and that's how we got the title actually, Dangal.
That period is an excellent period for releasing movies, as we've seen over the last so many years, and so many of Amir's films have released at that time as well. We felt 23rd was the right date because it was on the eve of Christmas. You're actually being able to reach out to audiences who are in a mood to actually go and visit the theaters. You've got your holidays going on at that time, so December 23rd seemed like just the right date to release them.
So I don't feel that. And at the end of the day, that Salman is used to him. Salman trains with him, has been training with him for 10-15 years. I don't know how many years. तो वो बात मैं समझता हूँ. और मैं अक्सर राकेश को बोलता हूँ, कभी कभी हमारा टाइमिंग क्लैश होगा, उसकी शूटिंग है, मेरी शूटिंग है, तो आप सलमान को प्रेफरेंस दो, मैं मैनेज कर लूँगा. दैट्स माई अंडरस्टैंडिंग विद राकेश ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग. मतलब आपको क्या लगता है कि एक दफा मेरी दोस्ती होगी किसी के साथ और किसी से दोस्ती अब नहीं हो सकती, मुझे धोखा मत देना, किसी और का दोस्त बनना मत. ऐसा थोड़ी होता है भाई. I'm very happy to know that Salman and Shah Rukh are spending time together. They went out cycling. They are, chilling together. That's wonderful. It's really wonderful. He's always been a bigger star than me. इसमें नहीं क्या बात है. I've always considered Salman a bigger star. I've always considered Shah Rukh a bigger star. I've always considered Amit ji a bigger star. And there are a host of stars who I feel are very, very huge in India. There's Hrithik, there's Ajay Devgan, there's Ranbir, so many actors who are hugely popular. It's very difficult to compare कौन आगे कौन पीछे, वो उस comparison में जाता नहीं. But I do feel that when I see Salman walking into a room, ऐसा लगता है कि स्टार आया है. मैं एंटर मारता हूँ तो लगता है कि कोई वेटर आ गया. I'm sorry, I shouldn't say that because waiters are great people. कहाँ हैं भाई waiters? I shouldn't say that. But I feel that when I walk into a room, I feel कि कोई nobody आया है. मैं चुपके से कॉर्नर में एंटर होता हूँ और जाके खड़ा हो जाता हूँ. It's Salman who enters Shah Rukh. When Shah Rukh enters, you feel the star has entered. वो quality है ही नहीं मेरे में. So to answer your question, yes, they are both bigger stars than me.
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/BiscuitTV.